baby, here we go.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Okay guys, just a very quick video here on how to install the scoop. So obviously all the stuff that we sell, we try and do a fitting video for you guys so you can see how to do it. So the new scoop, as you can see there, gloss black, very nice. So you get new clips with it all the way around. Obviously it tells you there the OEM Torx bit that screws into there must be removed. So all you're going to need is basically a little Torx bit to undo that screw. So we'll show you how to do that on here now. So guys, so you're going to flick your bonnet up and you'll see as soon as you get under there, a little Torx screw. So it's just a matter of undoing this, making sure not to drop it down your bonnet. I hope I don't. There we go. So that bit's off. So we're going to pull it back down now. Just get it on its latch there. So with this, I've never removed one of these, so it's just a bit of a trial and error. Yeah, it is quite tight. So I've got a trim tool. Just going to pry it under that. Just going to try and release those clips, just like that. And then obviously once you've got one out, you can sort of go to the next one, prise that up. Next one. And then obviously it's just a matter of working your way around. I think one's just flown off there, so lucky they give you new ones. This back one is tight. Let's go back to this end. You can tell this one's not been off before. There we go, that's that one. So there's just two here. There we go. Last one. Yeah, very tight. And there we go. Oops, that one's. So that's them off. Obviously, you can see there one of the clips has come out of the moulding, and obviously, if we have dropped one, we'll just double check. So obviously, one's there. So make sure while you're doing it, just make sure there's any in there, as so they're going to come out. And then with that one, just push that one out from below. So there we go. Just going to clean this up, but obviously you can imagine next thing we're just going to set that in, so we'll just clean this up before we carry on. Okay guys, so there it is. It's I wouldn't say it's perfectly polished, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. Just doing it on the edges. So we've got the new scoop and we've put all the clips, and as you can see, these they will move sort of a mil either way there. So before you just bash it in, just get this and just sit it down. So you've got locators here as well. So obviously there's 3 pins to locate. If you just have a look over the top of it there, and just make sure each of them pins, as you can see on mine there, they've sort of half slotted in, so they're all nice and in its place. Once you're at that point, just check there, just to make sure they're dead central on them holes, because obviously if it's a side, they are brittle and they will break if they're not in properly. So just do double check you do that before you bash it in. So it is literally a clip in on one end and a clip in on the other end. Like I say, we'll just do each clip individually like that. As you can see, that's just got a nice good bond, tight clippage on there. So once that's on, bit of a spruce up, as you can see. Oh, so as you can see there, that's all nice and flush around the edge. So you just make sure it's right before you go back with this screw and put that in. In fact, feeling there, that one weren't quite in right, so you can rub your finger across that back there. I couldn't even see that then, but rub your finger all around and you'll feel it's a nice smooth fit in the middle there. And then it's just a case of, you'll see that line's back up there. Get your little screw and just tighten that back in. Obviously the clips are pretty tight, but I just think this is just a precaution to follow. I'll just get that in. There you go, guys. Take my cloth, no more tools, no, double check. There you go, what a transformation. Simple but effective.
When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.